Are you searching for best derailleur for mountain bike? Hey guys, I am Ratul Khan. I have been working on AliExpress products for about 4 years. Hopefully, my experience and guidelines will help you best product choice. Today I am going to reviews top 5 best derailleur for mountain bike in 2024. Number 1. Shimano 11-speed Groupset MTB mountain bike shifter rear derailleur, Shimano Derailleur M5100, M5120, 11-speed Groupset MTB mountain bike shifter rear derailleur 42T51T cassette chain bicycle 11V part, M5100 Groupset, 1 PCS shifter lever, M5100 right shifter with window/no window, 1 PCS rear derailleur, M5100 SGS/M5120 SGS, 1 PCS cassette M5100 11-51T/Sunshine 11-50T/M5100 11-42T, 1 PCS chain HG601/KMCX 11.93. Number 2. Shimano long cage rear derailleurs, Shimano Derailleur XT M8100, M8120, SLX M7100 M7120 Derailleur M6100 SGS 12S long cage rear derailleurs mountain bike SGS MTB derailleurs, model, RDM 8100 SGS series, Derailleur XT M8100 series, color, average weight, 284 g, remarks, there is a buffer on the guide plate, compatible chain, HG 12 speed, average weight, 286 g. Number 3. Sram 12-speed MTB bicycle rear derailleur. This bike group set kit is an excellent tool for mountain bikes, etc. Convenient to use, this bike group set kit is easy to install and disassemble. You can use it as a tool for your bicycle, high quality and durable, made of high quality aluminum alloy material, which is durable and has a long service life. It can be used for a long time. Great seller communication. If you have any questions about the product, please feel free to contact us. We will try our best to help you. Backwards compatible, works with both 10-50T and new 10-52T cassettes. Updated cage architecture provides better chain retention and precise shifts. Comes in GX Eagle signature colorway as part of Eagle color system and goes with all colors of Eagle cassettes chains, from to gold to rainbow, to hard chrome and new copper. Number 4. SRAM 12-speed MTB bike group set trigger shifter right side rear derailleur, SRAM NX Eagle 1x12 12-speed MTB bike group set trigger shifter right side rear derailleur alloy carbon cage bicycle kit, NX Eagle trigger shifter. Eagle technology creates a smoother and more precise shifting system with exceptional reliability. NX Eagle trigger shifter. Available as a EMTB specific Eagle shifter option limiting the pull lever to a single engagement. NX Eagle rear derailleur, completely. New rear derailleur incorporating our proven X Horizon design and new Type 3 roller bearing clutch technology. NX Eagle rear derailleur, Eagle ecosystem engineered mounting system and cage lock positioning add robustness. Eagle pulley technology provides greater efficiency, crisper shifting and quieter operation. Number 5. LTWOO Groupset LTWOO AX 11-speed Groupset rear derailleur, LTWOO Groupset LTWOO AX 11-speed Groupset 1x11 shifter lever rear derailleur for MTB mountain bike cassette 11-42T 46T 50T 11-52T, derailleur mountain bike. The bicycle derailleur lever is made of high-quality aluminum alloy, which is durable and has a long service life. It can be used as a shifter lever to improve the efficiency of riding. LTWOO 11 group set. The LTWOO group set is made of LTWOO, which greatly improves the number of riders' crank movement, improving the speed and overall performance of the bicycle. MTB group set 1x11. Our group set is one of the most functional and easy to use bicycles that can be used for a variety of mountain bikes, road bikes and city bikes. Variety of uses, suitable for mountain bikes, road bikes, folding bikes, etc. It can be used as a shifter lever, which is very convenient to use. Tech make precise and quick response, enhanced damping technology to effectively reduce chain jitter. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel and stay with us.